Hello Hook Protocol coin holders, how are you? Hope you're doing well guys. Welcome back to another price prediction video about Hook coin guys. Before starting this video guys, join Telegram group guys. The link is available in video description. Check now description and join for free signal for free market update guys. Hook Protocol 1.92 US dollar, the current price 2.23% negative changes occur in the Hook Protocol coin. Still, if you talk about 24-hour trading volume, fully diluted market cap, so all changes in the Hook coin is completely negative guys. So now what should we do in a right now situation? Is it the best time for buying or selling guys? So currently the market is completely on a dip guys, so I think it's completely now on a support level guys. So I think that it's the best time to buy in long position guys. Obviously every coin you want to buy, it's the best time for buying guys, because all market is in a dip guys. Buy now and just hold it for a 1 week, for 2-3 days guys. I'm sure it will give you a massive profit guys. By the way, for our latest signals, join us on Telegram. The link is available in video description.